Russian air defense shot down one Mi-24 helicopters of Ukrainian air forces near Pokrovskoye, Donetsk People Republic, says Igor Konashenkov, Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson, 19 July 2022. For Ukrainian unmanned area vehicles near Pesnashnoye, Petrovlovka, Topolskoye, and Izium, Kharkov region also destructed. In addition, 4 Torshkayu ballistic missiles and 5 rockets of Uragan multiple launcher rocket system have been intercepted near Skadovsk and Novoya Kharkovka, Kherson region, and Chernovyi, Osko, and Topolskoye, Kharkov region. In total, 257 Ukrainian airplanes and 143 helicopters, 1,568 unmanned area vehicles, 356 anti-aircraft missile system, 4,106 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 759 multiple launcher rocket system, 3,160 field artillery and mortars, as well as 4,392 units of the special military vehicles was destroyed during the operation. Ukraine also reported the Russian losses updated on 146th day. Russian lost 220 aircraft, 188 helicopters, 1,691 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare system, 248 multiple launcher rocket system, 2,767 vehicles, fuel tanks, 693 unmanned area vehicles, and 15 boats.